Today we are diving into a beautiful and practical garden style wedding arrangement that will elevate any wedding signing table. Hi everyone, it's Donald here. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to create a stunning tall garden style wedding arrangement in a tin container using just a few types of flowers such as roses and hydrangeas. We will craft something that's both simple and effective. This is perfect for those who want to make a big impression without a lot of fuss. Before we get started, I will walk you through the materials we will be using. Here we have some branches, two types of color roses, hydrangeas, and some greens from my garden. Remember, the flower list and the products linked are in the description below. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Stay tuned for our next video where we will be create a beautiful wedding table centerpiece. Don't forget to check out our past wedding videos I have linked for you. And hit that subscribe button for more fall inspirations. I will see you in my next video.